friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And the product that I have with me is the ZOFF Onion Powder. So guys, ZOFF is for Zone of Fresh Food, and this is the onion powder that I have tried an onion powder with me, and today we are going to review this. So let's start off with the packaging of it. It comes in this plastic pouch packaging right here with the ZOFF branding on top. Zone of Fresh Food. Name of the product is onion powder. Net weight is 100 gram, and they are showing the illustration of the powder and the onions as well here. It's a pure vegetarian product. Moving on to the back of the pack, you can see the ZOFF branding again. Then the photo of Shilpa Shetty, who is their brand ambassador. It says onion powder. Why buy ZOFF? We source our raw spices from the best locations in India. We use air classifying mills which work at only 30 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius. So our spices retain their full flavor, oil and aroma. Ingredients of this powder is dry onion flakes, permitted anti-caking agents and silicon dioxide. Net weight of this pack is 100 grams and the MRP is same as rupees 50. Shelf life of this is around almost 9 months. You get a 9 month shelf life with this. So guys, let's go ahead and open this pack and check out the onion powder. So guys, here is the ZOFF onion powder. I opened it, and as soon as I open it, it smells like that barista, the fried onion. Gives you that barista smell. And that's very fine powder inside. If you look at it, I'm going to place some on my hand and show you. It's like red onion powder, so it's purplish reddish in color, and it has a barista smell, like the roasted onion smell to it. I'm going to just do a quick taste it. Has an onion flavor to it as well. So good. So where do you use this? You use it in like curries and all, where you want to add a little onion flavor but don't want to add chopped onions to it. You can use this dry onion powder as well in kebabs and stuff as well. It goes well while making, say you're making some nuggets and stuff, you can add this as well. So guys, if you're looking to buy the ZOFF onion powder, it's available online, and you can buy it online from Amazon. I left a link in the description below, so do check out the link in the description. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.